A former top prosecutor in Phoenix will investigate what happened at a long-term care center where a patient in a vegetative state gave birth. Hacienda HealthCare hired former Maricopa County prosecutor Rick Romley to lead an internal investigation into the facility. Phoenix police also launched a criminal investigation into who raped the patient last year. Mireya Villarreal is outside the Hacienda HealthCare facility in Phoenix with the latest. Mireya, good morning.
Well, good morning. Hacienda HealthCare's board of directors say that Rick Romley will have full access to the facility's operations and procedures here in Phoenix to help him figure out exactly how this woman was raped and how she was impregnated without anybody knowing. Initially, Romley told us he didn't want to take the job, but he did it to make sure this doesn't happen again.
It will be my recommendation that as much information as can come out will come out.
Former Maricopa County prosecutor Rick Romley says his review of Hacienda HealthCare will include examining the facility's management practices, culture, and security, including the usage of surveillance cameras, door locks, and security guards.
I'll be looking at their safety audits, I'll be looking at complaints, I'll be looking at their protocols.
Romley says he will try and speak with Hacienda's former chief executive, Bill Timmons, who resigned last week following reports that a woman who's been in a vegetative state since she was 3 gave birth.
We had no idea this patient was pregnant.
Does she know how far along she was or anything?
We have no idea. This is a complete surprise. We were not expecting this.
During the 5-minute 911 call, staff members revived the little baby boy after giving him chest compressions.
The baby's breathing? Oh, the baby's breathing. Oh, my God. Thank God.
It never should have happened.
Timothy Jeffries was the director of Arizona's lead social services agency until 2016. He says he asked Governor Doug Ducey to shut down Hacienda after a 2015 audit revealed concerns of financial fraud, including the facility's annual average cost of care. The report says it totaled $386,000 per client in 2012, nearly 3 times the national average of $134,000.
This is a failure of the worst and gravest kind, and it's a failure that was avoidable. But at the very least, seniors at Hacienda, seniors at the Attorney General's office, and the governor and his team should have protected her.
It's important to note that Jeffries was forced to resign back in 2016 for mismanagement, a claim that he denies. Now, we did speak with the Attorney General's office. They tell us that they did have a case open, criminal case back in 2017 that was closed due to lack of evidence. And also the governor's office tells us they did act on Jeffries' recommendations and concerns, but they are still working to get financial documents from Hacienda.
Mireya, we thank you.